So if you've been looking for a really nice garden nozzle for your garden hose, this is a super nice one. The company just sent me this out to try out. I really like it. It is solid metal, it's brass, feels really heavy duty. It's not going to rust. It is so much better than these plastic and rubber ones you get that break after one season. This is super heavy duty. It feels really nice. The trigger here feels really nice as well. It's contoured to your fingers there. You can adjust the spray settings here however you like, just like that. You can stream, spray, however, so it's super nice. Has a lock here as well, so you can lock it in place just like that, so you don't have to hold it. That is super nice. Looks really cool too. Really like the weight of it. Has some weight to it, which makes it feel really heavy duty. It's this nice contoured handle grip as well. So yeah, really happy with this. If you are looking for a really nice garden nozzle, be sure to check this one out.